Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Salesforce login with Google Authenticator, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have Salesforce installed on your device. Open your web browser and navigate to the Salesforce login page. Enter your Salesforce username and password in the respective fields. Initiate the login process by clicking the Login button. If prompted for two-factor authentication, you will need to set up Google Authenticator. Download the Google Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the Google Authenticator app. Tap on the plus sign or Add Account option. Choose the option to scan a QR code. Return to the Salesforce login page. Look for the QR code on the two-factor authentication setup screen. Use the Google Authenticator app to scan the QR code. After scanning, you will see a 6-digit verification code generated in the app. Enter this code into the Salesforce two-factor authentication field. Click Verify to confirm the code. If successful, you will gain access to your Salesforce account. In case of any issues, double-check the time settings on your mobile device. Adjust the time settings to automatic if necessary, as this can affect the code generation. Once logged in, the Google Authenticator will continue to generate new codes every 30 seconds for future logins. Now you can securely access your Salesforce account with two-factor authentication enabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.